Welcome to our new Customer Experience Center here in Radebeul. I'm so happy and proud to present on more than 3,000 square meter latest innovations and digital solutions from Koenig Bauer. As you all know from media, we launched a new generation of large format, Rapida 145 and 164. The last weeks, we hosted the first 3 parts of our 4-part webinar series, Performance and Efficiency, Resources and Waste, Quality and Control. To give you an overview on our improved services, today's topic is service and maintenance, which is one of the most important aspects of your daily business for a reliable production. But not in a conventional reactive sense, where unwanted downtimes can come unexpectedly and unpredictable. Digitalization enables us to deliver much more proactive services approach to avoid such scenarios. To show you how we have achieved that, please welcome with me Thomas Göcke, Head of Digitalization at Koenig Bauer.
Thank you, Dirk. Every time, I'm really excited being this close to this beautiful press. I call it, the iPhone of the printing industry. It has an industry-leading performance and productivity. It is connected, and it incorporates an iconic design. But this is not just our opinion. The machine design got awarded with the renowned IF Design and Red Dot Design Award, category Best of the Best. And to emphasize this, our highly automated press is right next to the Apple products like the iPhone, like the Mac Pro in the Red Dot Design Yearbook. But speaking of automation, Dirk, why is this so important?
Yeah, important is a very important issue. But automation, we enable, with our automation solutions, we enable the operator to focus on what is most important for them: printing, production, process. The operator are not distracted by other processes around the machine, and the machine achieves the highest performance and net output.
Look, Dirk, this is exactly what we are doing. Digitalization and service go hand in hand to offer tailor-made solutions for our customers. Because we are more than just a printing press manufacturer. We are your solution provider, your trusted advisor. And to explain you a little bit more about the all-new services, I'm more than happy to have Stefan today with me, our service specialist within our digitalization team.
Thank you, Thomas. Through thousands of installations and long-term partnerships with our customers, we learned that the expectations have changed. Nowadays the printing business is very challenging and competitive. So the customer want to focus, as Dirk mentioned, on what is most important for them, printing production and their customers. So the classic break and fix service is not sufficient anymore. And that's why we developed new proactive, intelligent, innovative solutions, just as state-of-the-art as our new press here. And by that, we can keep the downtime and the maintenance as low and predictable as possible. Everything to achieve a high availability and to increase the overall equipment effectiveness, which is the key performance indicator for our customers. But for that, Thomas, we need to know what is going on inside our press.
Our presses are connected since 1994, so since more than 25 years. But today, we are receiving up to 100,000 sets of data per press and per day. And the key is to evaluate and interpret the data and take action from these findings, which enables us to offer tailor-made solutions and services fitting your individual production conditions. But before we talk about a few of these unique solutions, let's experience what features our Rapida 145 are minimizing maintenance time.
Minimizing maintenance time is a very good keyword because this is the focal point of our latest developments for the new large format generation. We are eliminating and centralizing lubrication points. And for example, we have developed long life gripper shafts. I can show you here directly in the machine. So all the gripper shafts on impression cylinder and transfer drums, there is no lubrication needed because there is no greasing points anymore. So this is one of the first developments we have realized to reduce greasing points and minimize maintenance in terms of greasing the machine. Another advantage, there are no splashes of grease on printed sheets after overgreasing. Or you also have to spend less time for the whole maintenance cycle per week. So our progressive metering technology with automatic grease supply. We reduced, for instance, the lubrication points on the Rapida 145 6-color of more than 220 greasing points. This saves you 2 hours maintenance time per week. And this gives you 2 hours more production time. Another example, central lubrication. And I can show you here, each print unit keeps a central lubrication pump, and this pump distributes all the grease automatically into the printing unit, where you had to grease in former times manually, also many greasing points in the print unit. So significantly simplified press maintenance due to considerable fewer lubrication points, greater reliability by avoiding mistakes and forgotten lubrication points, less time spent on maintenance. So Tomat, what digital service do we provide towards to our customers in order to avoid unexpected downtimes and increase productivity?
We have further developed solutions for you, our customers, to increase productivity and minimize unplanned downtimes. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you still scheduling jobs manually? And are you really sure this is the most efficient way? We have developed a solution for you, the Koenig Bauer Job Optimizer. This unique workflow solution automatically ensures 100% best job sequence, fitting your specific requirements. Are you still trying to explain your service request via phone? We have made visual service support available to our customers. This leading augmented video support solution helps reducing case resolution times by connecting our technicians with you in a virtual, interactive environment where we jointly can see and share valuable information for faster problem resolution. And are you sure that your production process is efficient as possible? Our Performance Analytics Plus is a business intelligence tool for you that supports you in identifying hidden optimization potentials within the printing process. And wouldn't it be great to get notified on errors even before they occur and lead to problems? We are using the power of artificial intelligence within our industrial analytics offerings. By that, we are able to separate the non-normal from the normal press behavior. And based on that, we take action in order to avoid unplanned downtimes. And to give all these digital solutions a home, we created the Koenig Bauer custom community. This is our platform for you, which gives you access to all our digital services. By that, we are able to make your production more efficient, highly profitable, and even more competitive.
That sounds really great, Thomas. But these innovations, they are available or they are still a dream?
Sure. All the new Rapida 145 is equipped with all technical features to benefit from the just described services.
Amazing. Over the last 4 webinars, we have shown you why our new Rapida 145 opened up a whole new dimension for large format printing. We have learned how the Rapida 145 helps you to increase performance and efficiency, to save resources and reduce waste, to produce top quality with 100% production monitoring, and
we have learned how Koenig Bauer supports you to minimize unscheduled downtimes and increase productivity. We are excited to see you here at our Customer Experience Center so you can experience the Rapida 145, the new dimension in large format. Here you will experience how this unique Rapida 145, together with our digital solutions, will help you to be even more successful. Because at Koenig
Bauer, we are on it.